Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electromer. In this video, we are going to learn about electrical unit of measures. Here, this is our second video on DC circuit theory. Standard electrical units of measures. Here are some electrical parameters and measuring units, and they are symbols and the equation to find out those electrical parameters. The first one is voltage. The measuring unit is volt. The symbol is capital V. Somewhere we are using capital E also. So to find out the voltage, we can use V is equal to I into R equation. So this is the equation of Ohm's law. So if you are not clear with Ohm's law, please check out our first video. The second one is current. The measuring unit is ampere. Mostly we are using the symbol capital I. Somehow we are using small I also. To find out the current, we can use this equation I is equal to V upon R. The third one is resistance. The measuring unit is ohm. The symbol is capital R. Also we can use this symbol also. The equation to find out the resistance is R is equal to V over I. Then the fourth one is conductance. Conductance is nothing but it is the reciprocal value of the resistance. So the measuring unit is Siemens. The symbol is capital G. Then capacitance. Capacitance is nothing but it is the measurement, the value of the capacitive. So this is the symbol of the capacitor. The value of capacitor is measured in capacitance. So the measuring unit is farad. The symbol is C. To find out the capacitance, we can use this equation. C is equal to Q over V. Here the Q represent electrical charge. V represent voltage difference or voltage. Here let's move for the charge. The measuring unit to find out the charge is Coulomb. The symbol is capital Q. The equation is Q is equal to C over V. Then inductance. The inductor is nothing but it is just a coil. The value of the inductor is inductance. The measuring unit is Henry. The symbol is capital L or H. The equation is VL is equal to minus capital L into di over dt. Then power. The measuring unit is watt. The symbol is capital W. There are three equations as we learned in our first video. To find out the power, in basic we can use P is equal to V into I. So when we substitute the Ohm's relationships or Ohm's law relationships, we can get two more equations that will be equal to I squared R or V squared by R. So from these three equations we can find out the power. Then impedance. Impedance is something like a resistance. Normally the impedance can be measured for the RL circuit or RC circuit or RLC circuit. Here R represents resistance, L represents inductance, C represents capacitance. The measuring unit is ohms. The symbol is Z, capital Z. The unit of AC resistance can be measured by using this equation. Z squared is equal to R squared plus X squared. X represent reactance. Capital X represent the reactance. We will learn reactance. We will learn about these parameters in our next video. Then the final one is frequency. The measuring unit is hertz. The symbol is capital H into small z. The equation to find out the frequency is F is equal to 1 over T. Multiples and submultiples. Here are some prefix and symbol and the multiplier power of 10. Here the tera, prefix tera can be represented by the symbol capital T. Tera means 10 to the power 12. Giga can be represented by using capital G, which means 10 to the power 9. Mega is equal to 10 to the power 6. Kilo is equal to 10 to the power 3. Here 1 is equal to 10 to the power 0. Centi means centi can be represented by using small c, which is equal to 1 over 100, which means 10 to the power minus 2. Milli can be represented by using small m, that is equal to 1 over 1000, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 3. Micro can be represented by 10 to the power minus 6. Same as nano can be represented by 10 to the power minus 9. Pico can be represented by the 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, let's see about some examples. Here 1 kV, 1 kilowatt, which is equal to, here kilo mean 10 to the power 3, that means 1000, which is equal to 1000 volts. So here we can write 1000 volt as 1 kV. Then 1 milliampere. Milli is a prefix for 10 to the power minus 3. Here 10 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 over 1000. So 1 milliampere, which is equal to 1/1000th of an ampere. The third example is 47 kilo ohm. As we all know, kilo is equal to 10 to the power 3. So 47 kilo ohms, which is equal to 47,000 ohms. 100 microfarad. Here the micro can be represented 10 to the power minus 6, which is equal to 100 millions of a farad. 1 kilowatt. Kilo can be represented 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 1000 watts. 1 megahertz. Mega means 10 to the power 6, which is equal to 1 million hertz.